I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe InDesign. Start with the basics of setting up your document. I'll show you how to create a new file, specifying dimensions like 8.5 by 11 inches for a standard letter size or custom sizes for unique projects. We'll then explore the InDesign workspace, identifying key panels like pages, layers, and properties, which are crucial for efficient design. Finally, I'll guide you through placing your first images and text frames onto the canvas, laying the groundwork for your creative projects. Next, we'll dive into the powerful text tools InDesign offers. You'll learn to format text using the character and paragraph panels, adjusting font, size, leading and kerning for perfect readability. I'll demonstrate how to create and apply paragraph and character styles, saving you countless hours on consistent formatting across your document. We'll also cover text wrapping, allowing your text to flow seamlessly around images and other design elements, creating visually appealing layouts. Now, let's organize your designs effectively. I'll explain how to use layers to manage different elements, like text, images, and graphics, keeping your document tidy and easy to edit. We'll explore master pages, a fantastic feature for applying consistent headers, footers, and page numbers across multiple pages with just a few clicks. You'll also learn to group and align objects precisely, ensuring your layouts are professional and perfectly balanced, even with dozens of elements. Finally, it's time to share your creations with the world. I'll guide you through the process of exporting your InDesign document for various purposes. We'll cover preparing files for professional printing, ensuring correct color profiles and bleed settings. You'll also learn to export interactive PDFs, perfect for digital viewing with clickable links and rich media. Lastly, I'll show you how to package your files, gathering all fonts and linked graphics, making collaboration effortless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.